Today we are making pancakes. I love pancakes. So like James, see, you like whisk it around.
Yes, I am.
I'll hold the bowl for you. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi to the camera.
Hi. Whisk it now. Let's whisk. Whisk. Wait, let's keep whisking.
Oh yeah.
Looks creamy.
Uh-huh.
Actually, looks so creamy.
Okay, can you just stop? Bro, chaos. Okay, here, now let me mix.
And I record.
Okay, but you have to be careful. No sound effects. I don't like sound effects, sorry.
Is music okay?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
Okay, whiskey time.
Okay. Okay. The bowl for you. Okay.
When are we gonna add the flour?
Whisk it, and you have to.
Whisk it a lot.
Yeah, and then we can add milk.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Whisk.
Look at the milk, James.
My tummy is kind of hurting.
Okay.
Can you record?
Yeah, sure. You switch.
Can I?
Oh. I love pancakes. Rinka, rinka, ringa, ringa, ring.
Some little butter.
More.
Is that
James,
melted butter?
James, whisk.
You have to
Keep
whisk.
doing that.
You have to whisk while it's like.
It looks like that.
You have to keep whisking. Whisk.
How much
It looks like
sugar?
cheese. It
Until
looks
they
like.
combine everything together.
Here, look.
No, I'm doing it.
Come on, let me do it.
I know how to do it.
Let me do it. See? Everyone. Keep whisk.
My little brother. I'm sorry if the quality is bad. I'm on a pretty old phone. Oh, wait, I forgot I said that.
Quality is not bad, but just too messy in the make a pancake.
Oh my god, can I put that in?
Yeah, I want some too.
Oh, let me
Go
put
for
it.
it. Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the best part. It's the part that makes
And
it.
then Charlotte. Yeah, Charlotte.
Let me whisk, actually.
Yeah.
Oh.
Me.
Oh, the chaos.
That looks
Oh my
so
god,
good.
doesn't even.
Is that how you add?
I think we're gonna need more.
No, that's enough for now.
No, need more liquid.
Not yet. You have to slowly.
Yeah.
Pancakes.
Today we're gonna make pancakes.
Yeah.
Video is really moving. Wow. How's everyone on internet can watch that, Charlotte?
Peppa Pig edition.
More, James, put more flour in.
Okay, don't mind my brother saying Peppa Pig edition.
Don't do that. Low. You
Ooh.
cannot do too high. Enough. Okay, that's enough now.
We'll just take it down.
No.
Hope we are not recording video, is it, Charlotte?
No.
We're 4 minutes in.
It's a long video. That's why it's gonna be a
Anyways, I'll
long
see you guys
video.
in part 2. Boom.